Today, I'm very happy to share with you one of our recent collaboration between L'Oreal Research and Innovation and the Center for Microbiome Innovation at University of California, San Diego. Our collaboration, published in the Journal of Frontiers in Aging, was the first to uncover the association between skin microbiome and the science of skin aging and skin health rather than the chronological age. In this collaboration, the Center for Microbiome Innovation brought in their strong expertise in microbiome bioinformatics and big data analytics, while L'Oreal brought in our decades of strengths in the evaluation and understanding of skin health and skin aging. In this study, the CMI team analyzed 13 clinical studies conducted by L'Oreal Research and Innovation team in the past. In these clinical studies, we not only measured the signs of aging through clinical grading and bioinstrumentation. We looked at the skin aging endpoints such as crow's feet wrinkles, as well as the skin health endpoint such as transepidermal water loss, which is a big indication of skin barrier health. From these studies, we also collected the microbiome sampling from facial skin among the over 650 female participants aged between 18 to 70, which provide a big data source for this analysis. We found a strong association between the microbiome dynamics and the diversity and the crow's feet wrinkle severity, as well as the transepidermal water loss. We believe this study provided valuable insights for the scientific community to better understanding the correlation between microbiome as well as skin aging and skin health. This study and its findings warrant further investigation in the fields of transcriptomics and metabolomics of skin health, as well as a suggestion of diving into other skin layers rather than the skin surface. This study marks a very important step towards the development of future skincare technologies and new solutions for personalized skincare.